Chapter 24 Modal Auxiliaries. Then the modal auxiliaries lady kuna da gyogi tenda ro mas na chi chojin ro shue da ani ya chi rewa ge ro da de ka sl phu chi gi ani kalore chazi ro pa la chumen ro de ro shla ko chu sra de na la pena de na chirup tit lo na may I come in? Yes, you may. Ra lana may I come in lana ta podi kar do jana na ya yung chu chi let ra ko chojin shu chi ani ge la de yes you may lana a digre ke na pen digre la chura dila sama danda dila chojin shu kyu ro sta so can I la pi chi re may I la pi chi ra adina nenga di the verbs can, could, may, might, and must express many ideas. The chadsi can, the could, the may, the might, the must enjoy tanda lanare, the samsu lanare, nedun lanare, the dipe mambo tungres. They are called modal auxiliaries. The denzola khala or lana meaning the mas modal auxiliaries leres. Modal auxiliaries are used to express ability in the present or in the past. The modal auxiliary gi thunda chi do dikhardengre ani call fi chilana ani ability tu matu chirwa die tu thada wada tu deba nalola tu matu ki chi tu bala konda tu bade ki chi du zambala fi chires Pena Rahul can play the guitar. I could climb trees when I was 7 years old. Rahul ye ni royan tanda rocha jora guitar le de tangshingires tang thukire la rochi I could climb trees when I was 7 years old na allo den kapsla ani shino aza tu years era tu badich the can gi tu deba di could chata ra dene thanda ni wa dikare they can be used to ask for permission ya den zo khwala phi chi chola na ani chojin shi shue la la ra ask for la zama thanda la chojin shue la ko ra ki ji thiwo do de kemya che permission na chojin ro chojin ji shue la Pijigires. Pena, may I go out to play, please? Ra. Achulola jimja dun digre be kuchi la ra. Please le de da chik pajud la kusha da shisa da den di ruch sikur ruch pijigir ra. Dene thanda ni sumba dikhatung la na they are also used to talk about rules or duty. Ya chi khala na den so ye ani kharko shila na dishi da ling Kaza susu ki lenge ro da dindri kola shi du zamba ya modal auxiliary pichi respena he must obey the rules of the school ra ko inge ba du labti dikshila ani tsigores obey la na tsigwada dindri la ko chura tsigore la ra then the next the modal auxiliaries do not change with the person or number of the subject the modal auxiliary di nenga karla na ko ni chebo bola subject di mida de la ko den yoru mares ra person da ani chebo ko gi thanga jora mangde jora dila ko yoru mares nam gyu chaje nu samja yoru ya pena Tina can sing well da Tina and Rahul can sing well ra Tina gi she ya tang thor le da Tina da Rahul ni ga gi she ya tang thor le di ko ni ga la khar phi chi la na can de ranja di ra ko la cha ji gyo ta mar ta ya tu chu tu de de ba na thi na khut la ra then exercise 1 these are the things that Venkatra could do when he was 7 years old write complete sentences using could ta din zo khar la na ventek la ji do mi ji wa che ko yi ani chitu ba din zo res khadu gos la kono lo dyen kas la ra and write complete sentences using could and sidu chasang tishwas could le de piji chichera pena thambo di Venkat rinsara Venkat could swim ko ye ni kare lo dyen gapsla chuke tu bache then he could play games ra then he could play a musical instrument then he could draw beautiful pictures then he could sing songs ra then you write 4 sentences on what you can do use the words phrases in the box 다 가르치도 시티 쇼아스 기랑이 가르치도 위에 콜라 디에 페이지 가르치고래 칙다 아니 치초든지 주신의 예배기 칙다 치초든지 페이지 쇼스 베나 climb trees, read, sing, play the keyboard, swim, dance, draw, play badminton. right? 다 차로지 하더라고. 제 행동하자 되다 로투바, 시땅투바, 시타바, 리모티와, 라 추기와치. 근데 play keyboard나 단다 시기를 차지. 단다 라완nem니 직도앙 딜라 keyboard라 좋아지라. 다 같이 올해 고 피주디 캔렛 피주어 지당이 투마틀 단다로실 신디라 주주급스가 투마트미하지 I can play badminton 대나시 I can read English I can sing 아니 Tibetan songs 투지 I can swim 라 in the sea 투지 아니 I can climb trees 라 I can dance I can draw any beautiful pictures. Then I can play the keyboard. The region what? Jera can teach. I can teach chasi di koranja di toa. Each coach tangi chitu batch. Then somebody complete these sentences with may or must. Da kare tsiru may the must kanunji conscious. The may lana chojin te wado dimba. Must let niba to sing so you dictu inari and lenge inari the chiki go in the kapsla must pitch. The sky has turned dark. It may rain in a short while. The namdi kare naguna your songs turned. It may rain in a short while. The tuen to do nalula chawa gas sigre. The may let the chojin te wachik daya sigaruch la kochodra. Your hands are dirty. You must wash them before you have your dinner. Ra kiran lago chor doas. Kiran ibadu ani kasadi konda khala masangila tu gorestinso. Dash I borrow that book for the weekend. Ta dundra da sanjul chetulangi ani tebunzo yana digre velela. May I borrow ra I shall return it on Monday. Sadawala chuloyos. It is dangerous to run across the road. You must look to your left and right before crossing the road. Ani crossing across lana gyunido la langa gyunita pena kesa dandrina modal yunkapsla anso langa gyudizamba pe nyangayores. Ani you must look rakirang ibadu takures. Kirang lawa yunda yecho kare. Ani pa langa machungela ra. Then Shivadi use could with the verbs in the brackets to complete this paragraph. The could pijichiche and simbadi konshoas the gutana yepegi chazin zonyamtala ra. My father was very talented as a child. He could do many things when he was just 5 years old. Ra. Nipalape talented lana tatsel the dembashires, poshires. Korang kachidu pe mangu chitures korang lo ngai be kapsla. The next category he could play, ra. Chatsi ngoma de korang chashe da could di can de today baso saradi. He could play the piano and sing along, ra. Dina shigi ani koye ani piano le de tang tures dina nyambula she tang tures, ra. He could paint very well. Dina shi koye ani rimuya tures. He could read really difficult books which were meant for older children. Da koyi kare ani da tap kaku dendera pe kaku dende mi ye ko kare tap denzo an mi po gemba chedol yimba dende khashi dende ya lo tures. He could remember all the stories told to him. An korang ye an korang la shesha be dum sama ten tures. And could write them too. Nana she could dumyesha tamzama titures. Nengawa de tick the correct words to complete these sentences. Da correct sidu kasa sidu di koala sidiwan the tikya shwas. Pena may I eat this apple? Ashindo apple the sana digre beletra. Jenny dash skip 100 times without stopping. 다 그래 skip 라나 디 타중 세워더라. So Jenny can 투기레스 라. 테마 가주 테마 yes 제 투레스 without stopping 라나 잠마샤바치. 잠마샤바치네 yes 제 투레라. So can 치라. The doctor said I dash take the medicine. Remember last song 같이 오래 예바도 맨사고래나 I must take. Manik could sing when he was young. Manik could sing when he was young. Koran shunjun kapsla and shetang tures. Priya dash dance very well. Koran shetak tugurledra. Priya can dance very well. You dash borrow my bicycle if you want to. You may borrow. Keran digres ra nige chatayana digres kis keran debayna. Dash you please open this box for me. Can you please open this box for me? These steps are not safe. They must put a railing. Steps they must put a railing. They railing Jisula di Jusarut la mero. Tendeja hokomasta. Then Rashmi dash speak 3 languages. Rashmi can speak ra. Rashmi ki sum shitures. Dash you complete the project on time. Ani lecha di tutola ani karsa chatusar velela. Can you complete? Ra. Vikas dash need your help to solve the problems. Vikas may need ra peche goyu geres kirang roba ani kanyo de sela kirang roba goyu ger dala jura. You dash buy a ticket before boarding the train. Ra ani the mekona ya majunge la karugore anjela ngebardu ticket nyogorwa so you must let ra ngebadu ko etra. So you must buy a ticket before boarding the train.